Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I finally started it, so here we go. I just wanted to concentrate on doing kind of perfecting a cut crease as quick as you can. So we're gonna fly by my foundation and all that. If you're wondering, I am mixing the Lancome Tint Idol with the Chantecaille Future Skin in Banana. I don't remember what my Lancome color was, but whatever. And then I used Too Faced Born This Way all over the eyes. I decided to use a lighter shade. So now jumping into the eyes, which is the main event, I decided to pick one of my favorite palettes, hands diggity down, from JACKIE Aina. She's like one of my favorite people of all time. But anyways, I want to use this bomb palette. I decided to use the color Supreme and Pinker, and I blended it out all over the lid. You don't have to be super neat with blending it out because you're going to end up cutting the crease, which makes everything look amazing in the end, which you'll see at the end of this. So anyways, I jumped right into cutting the crease. 3 of my biggest tips is do not do it in a rush. Make sure you have a detailed brush that's kind of like an oval shape instead of round at the top. That way you have more control. And make sure it's really flat. And then the third tip is do not try to do this in your bathroom leaning over your sink. It's not going to work out in your favor, I promise you. Mainly because you have to have balance kind of doing this. If you sit down and you have a mirror in front of you and your head's tilted back, you can actually see your eyes, so that way you're not like guessing like where your eye, like where the line is. So as you can see in the video, I'm carving out my crease little by little. I'm not just doing it all in one step, mainly because the best way to get it to look neat and do it as fast as possible without trying to fix your mistakes is taking your time. And you can literally do this in like 2 minutes. It doesn't take much time at all. Make sure that you're taking a little bit of whatever eye base you want to work with in a lighter shade, and start in the middle of the eye. And once you start getting the hang of it, I like to use a patting motion. Once you start getting the hang of it, you can go ahead and start dragging it down. That way you can see the actual shape coming together. Leave me some tips, you know, of how to explain it better for you, or if I sped through it a little bit too fast. But I wanted to make it as like easy as possible for you guys. Also, as you can see in the video, currently I'm doing the front part. Continue to follow your natural crease. If you just try to say, okay, I'm finally done, when you're not completely done by the inner corner, you can get a really kind of ugly triangle part in the front of your eye. So continue to follow your natural eyelid. Now once you start seeing your cut crease come out bomb, and you dragged all the whatever base you're using, whether it's concealer or like, you know, P. Louise eye base, whatever you decide to use, and see your shape coming together, that's when you can start adding your eyeshadow of your choice all on the lid. I'm just duplicating the other side now, and pretty much that's it. I decided to take the color Shookington on my lid, which is like that really pretty purple shade. And then I used Trust Issues in my inner corner, just to give it a little bit of a pop. I wanted some dimension. Also, Credit was used towards the end of the video under my lash line for a more blown out dramatic look. I hope you guys enjoyed my first video. Leave me some feedback, of course, and then like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you enjoyed, and welcome to the family.